Did you ever miss the brilliant moment because you can't shoot while driving? Did you ever put yourself in danger because you tried to record the beautiful scenery while driving? Let me introduce 70My Smart Dash Cam to you. It's an innovative meat ecosystem product from China. It supports intelligent voice control and app connection, makes recording easy ever since. Integrating AI algorithm, 70My trained the voice recognition model with more than 20,000 different voices, accents, and dialects. To make the recognition as accurate as possible, 70My team keeps testing and optimizing the product over 5 months in different vehicles inside environment. Your driving experiences will now be more enjoyable. With your hands on the wheel, you can still capture the perfect still shots or videos with just your voice commands.
Record video.
Start recording.
Take picture.
Photo was saved.
The 70My is equipped with Sony IMX323 image sensor, which helps maintain high-definition image quality even on cloudy days or the dark of night. Meanwhile, the 130-degree wide-angle lens covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 70My is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 70My to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 70My app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 70My is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is uncommon 70My Smart Dash Cam. Life is a beautiful journey. Enjoy every time on the road with the company of 70My.